Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? This is the latest news of Dogecoin and massive pump, my friend. Okay, now this time you can see your Dogecoin gonna be viral again now. So let's see this good news, my friend. It's gonna be very good from all holder. But please, before I start this video, the latest update, I tell you kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and select the all option for videos notification because every tech channel is update you every time. If you subscribe, then exactly guide you also, my brother. So this time, if you can see here, the last 24-hour chart first of all is on the screen. I also show you the latest update, the last 1 hour, but after that, so you can see, my friend, the last 24-hour average is going to be very good, mind blowing, plus 0.71%. They're starting moving up. So I think this is very good news because from first week, my friends, they completely falls down. There is no jump, my friend. They completely falls down from last 7 days. But definitely after a long time, the price will be starting now and increasing, and it's a good news from all of you. So thank you so much to you hold it. If people hold, if people starting holding, then exactly Dogecoin is moving upward. But definitely if people starting selling, then the price will be decreased now. So this is the latest update. Let's see the last 1 hour chart to the latest update is going to be what. All right, so this time the last 1 hour chart exactly is going to be very good, and the price, if you can see here, this time the last 1 hour is 0.49 USD dollar, and if you can see here, the change occur at 0.21%. What a big change, my friend, from last 1 hour. Congratulations to after a fails, they take a long jump. Exactly. This time Dogecoin is completely go at the moon, and absolutely in the future price will be increased now because after a long time, and every cryptocurrency is moving in the last of days, my friends, especially in the last of the month, moving upward like a rocket. So definitely this is Dogecoin day. Kindly holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time, wait for the end of this month. I hope, my brothers, they will give you very good profit. So kindly, if you follow this channel, if you subscribe our YouTube channel, then absolutely what I talk you, kindly be focused and try to understand and absolutely research. Personally, I just advise you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.